Failure to take the high. Come take this low. Maybe come back up here and take us lower. Haven't studied this enough though.
Shop Etsy now until May 12th to get up to 30% off from participating shops on custom jewelry, style pieces, home decor, and extra special items Mom will adore. Terms apply. For original and affordable Mother's Day gifts from small shops, Etsy has it.
Not financial advice. This beat's hitting though. So I'm thinking we might come to this low. Wonder if I could get involved here. Shee. I'm better at taking longs. I know something happens up here all the time, but I haven't studied it. It's almost time to make some coffee. Let's see. Take the first low. Oftentimes this low. Trying to stay off the 5-second for now until I get better. Definitely see some things in the 5-second though.
Order submitted.
Oh, is this account blown already? So all my accounts are going to reset tomorrow or in a day or two, and they're not even close to passing. So since I'm going to pay the reset fee anyways, I'm going to go a little bit harder and see what happens.
Order filled.
But also double tops get targeted, so, and this account's about to get blown. Above the high. I'm just thinking, put in a double top, take out this low, and oftentimes the low that put in the first high. But could be wrong. We just took a high over here. So I'm thinking we got to tap back in the range, which we already did, but there's a lot of stuff down here that's unmitigated. But price could do whatever it wants, and it might not be the right time. Technically didn't break a protected low. Protected lows down here, and I just haven't practiced the price action when it comes to double tops yet. Double top, but this will get targeted eventually, and so maybe targeted right now. This was a wick on a 2-minute. No candle closure. We'll move it into profit if we ever get into profit. So hard to see with this PA. I did not wait for a candlestick structure shift either. So could have waited. Not financial advice, but at least I'm shorting at a high. And if we start ranging here, let's see, fail to high, could just be in this range, in which case I want to short up here, not in the middle of the range. So mistakes potentially were made. That's okay. Just need to go study. I don't know what's gonna happen. Like in this trending area, it's straightforward. Really straightforward. But ranging is a different beast. Since we failed this high, could have been our hint that we may start ranging. Also, I forgot, when we take a major high, we go into consolidation. So, forgot about that. I love some bearish behavior. What's up, Sirza? How's it going, brother? Nothing much, just practicing, bro. Not financial advice. That's good, bro. Learning to trade is hella hard, man. Yeah, for sure. It's embarrassing taking L's in the public eye, though. Need to study more for sure. How long have you been trading, bro? We're potentially just in a range, so this trade is obviously would be in the middle of that range, so not a good trade. Nice, bro. Have you been hopping strategies? I've been doing this for I think 3 years. 3 years in August, but just been hopping strategies over and over. Haven't we all, bro? Definitely had some had some funded accounts. Get so excited. Don't even get close to payout for me. You trade in DTFX? Yeah, facts. I was an ICT boy as well. Just spinning my wheels for hella long.
Work goes smoothly when you know the right steps. With Asana, you can coordinate tasks across teams and stay on track, so your team can
I was
spend
studying
time
like
celebrating wins.
OTE. I watched that playlist like so many damn times. I couldn't figure it out. Then I moved to like the 2022 model. And then I started seeing some success with market maker models. But then I hopped again. It's just so technical, man. But DTFX is like straightforward. Yeah. Well, I don't think you were here, Rahul, but we might be in a range since we took this high all the way over here. And Dave says after we take a major high, we tend to consolidate. I didn't notice it in time, so this is probably not a trade that you want to take. But this account's gonna reset, and it's not even close to passing, so I'm gonna pay for it anyways. So I'm gonna just take what I see and see what happens. But obviously, you probably don't want to be in this much drawdown, and you want to wait for candlestick structure to shift, which I didn't. I just took the 50. So definitely not financial advice, bro. Yeah, man. Technically, you can stick with anything if you stick with it long enough. You'll make it. But the way DTFX is presented is just simpler. Not simple, but it's just about practicing. Shit, didn't realize you guys can't even see it. Yeah, bro. There's people on Twitter that trade DTFX and their average win is 1 point. So, and it's like, it's not really about the money, but this guy's making thousands of dollars a day, 100 grand a month type stuff, and his average trade's one point. So if this trade ever came into profit, I would have moved it to break even, or at least a 1 point profit. So you could either do that or just like basically do what I just did, is 1-to-1 or die. Obviously, it didn't work. We're bullish, and I was pretty much counter trend, but I was playing the double top. But we didn't break a protected low. A few reasons not to take that trade. So that's the embarrassing part, but fuck it. Yeah, that's actually when I started finding consistency, is taking profits at 5 points, and my win rate skyrocketed to like 60-70%. It's like even when you're wrong, you still take money out the market. But I do want to practice the 1-to-1. But you really got to get used to the zones, which zones are going to react and which ones aren't. Yeah, I know you're still practicing too, but I think it was because we took this high that we're starting to consolidate, right? Here, 1 second. Let me pull up both time frames. I'm gonna switch screens real quick. Ninja Trader is so clumsy. New chart. NQ. Add 12-minute. Do you use the 12-minute
Before Shopify, were you wondering
as your higher time frame,
But now you're
Sirza?
selling with Shopify. You're easily selling online, in person, and beyond. Discover how millions of entrepreneurs use Shopify to ignite their selling. Sign up for a $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/YouTube audio.
Here we go. Remove chart trader. Make sure this lines up. Here we go. Oh, you said 5. Got you. Oh, you're trading the seconds already? Yeah, I like the 5-second or 15-second. There's so many setups. But Dave says if you're not profitable with the 1 minute, you should stick on the one. You shouldn't go to the second time frames. So I kind of dropped back from the second time frame. see. What the hell? Now, if you look at the 5-minute chart after the high was broken, you will see that price used the fair value gap to put in a new high. So it took the high, tap back into this fair value gap. Yeah, I haven't studied. I mean, I guess I have. I like the break of a high and then tap back into the SNDR. That's what I like to trade. Is that your only setup? Yeah. I don't see it. Well, I don't look for it as often, but 12-minute SNDs are really nice. But pretty much I just look for SNDRs and then or a sweep in a zone. Yeah, that's nice discipline, bro. That's really the difference between profitable and unprofitable, man. Like if I followed my two main setups, I wouldn't have taken that trade I just took. I guess the only thing about DTFX is that it gives you so many opportunities in so many areas to trade. So I might take this short right here. I mean, candle closed above though. Tap back into SNDR. New high. Try to stay on the right side of the market. Yeah, bro. For real. Like you said, we passed evals, and then that's basically, you just need to keep doing what got you to pass the evals, but for some reason, probably start doing something different, or I don't know, just switch up the mentality. Like literally in this area, break a high, tap back in, break a high, tap back in, break a high, tap back in. That's not crazy at all. I wanted to take this short. It's just not my trade. Oh shit. It's the OG, Mr. Lee. How's it going out there in Vietnam? Yeah, man, trading is wild. But basically, if you follow your rules, once you figure out your rules keep you safe. Got you. You coming back out here for like a couple months and then going back? You love it over there overseas, man. Cheaper, good food. What's your favorite Vietnamese dish? Is the question. Oh, they fucked up your account, huh? Yeah, I've always just stuck with Apex. Initially because it was the cheapest, but I haven't really had an issue with them. Like the fills are crisp. Had like only one incident where I couldn't close my positions. But I guess it would matter more if they're funded accounts. Can you still trade MT5 out there? You can, right? Guess you gotta stick with the Forex, brother. Where you from, Sirza? Yeah, bro. I'm so glad I didn't like pursue like a skilled funded trader, true Forex funds. I just really felt like trading on MT5 was ass. Cameroon, shee. Damn, how is it out there? What time is it over there? Let me see. $4:30, okay. Damn, that's tight. You get a New York session in the afternoon. So really, I'm waiting for a break out of this range and then the failure. when you say heat, how hot is heat? Because it's starting to heat up here. And I just mean like 80 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm sure you guys use Celsius. Four-hour draw liquidity, 15 minutes for structure, 1 minute for entries. Maybe I trade 4 months, 4 trades a month. Yeah, man. That's one thing about ICT, man. It's so limited. Like, not limited. Like, I love how technical it is and precise, but like, when I back test it and I get 4 trades a month, like if you miss those trades in the future or you fuck it up, now you get 3 trades a month. I mean, it is all you need though, so. And I really believe anything could be profitable at this point. Just gotta stick with it long enough. That's dope, Surza. K Robbins. What's up, brother? Yeah, for sure. Me too, man. Still got a lot of studying to do, though. Yeah, Lee, that would be better, man. Have you been watching Casper's stuff? That guy posts some good shit all the time. Bro, that 5-second chart hits, man. But you definitely could get lost in the sauce in there, thinking that you could just, like, if you're good enough, you could trade every turn. But if you're not, get smoked on there. But I'm backing off from the 5-second for now, because DTFX, you know, he said be profitable on the 1 minute. But there's so many opportunities on here. Like right here. Tap back in. Double bottom. Shit. Yeah. DTFX does have more range. You can use it on hard time frames, but I haven't looked at it. Bro, K Robbins, if you've been watching my channel, I went like 2 weeks, like consistently green. And then once I found out I was getting laid off, instantly trading became harder because I wasn't gonna have a paycheck. And I started fucking up, taking all kinds of stupid trades. And yeah, it's hard to get involved in some of these moves that move so quickly. Right here, there was some opportunities I wasn't on yet though. And now we're in a range. Sniper's a killer. I'm surprised you didn't stick with what's his name? MMXM Trader. His little course. That course was pretty fire. Yeah, Surza, I basically blocked. I took everybody off my Twitter. I just didn't want to be tempted to switch back, you know, to different strategies and shit. Dude, sorry about that, man. The job market's rough right now. I totally get how you're feeling. I mean, I literally went back to work after like a 3-year hiatus trying to learn trading. and I was there for only a month, and then the company had layoffs. It's insane. But yeah, psychology is huge, and just being comfortable in the outcome. Like, the outcome doesn't matter as long as you're following your rules. But yeah, it definitely got harder instantly once I got laid off. Yeah, I like Sniper, man. I stopped following him though. When I was trying to apply that course, I kept missing the trade. I didn't study it that long though, so I'm sure I would have picked it up eventually. But internal range to external range, liquidity was game changer. Use liquidity sweeps. There is sweeps, not so much buy side, sell side, but like internal highs and lows. But yeah, mostly structure. Like on the 5 second. Not financial advice. Something like, let's see. Try to see one. Now I can't find one. I just showed one earlier, but it sweeps the tap back into the range. Somewhere here, yeah. Took out this high, tap back in, failed to take this high, and then we swept this low. That's like one of my bread and butter ones, but I still gotta refine it. Yeah, I gotta work on that, Serza. I mean, cause look how many. I mean, we gotta count the higher time frame one, I guess. But like on the 1 minute, it's like this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th one failed, so we're expecting a reversal, correct? And we just took a high. Like, if you studied enough, I'm sure there's some DTFX traders that are already in from right here, and they'll hold for this low. Yeah, bro. I mean, for me it is. I mean, but if we're in the range, a short up here isn't bad. Like if I go to the 5 second, let's see. Broke this low, tap back in. There were so many trades in here. And just for transparency, I took this short, and it was a bad trade. It was based off the double top, but we didn't break a valid low or anything. We took out a major high, so can anticipate consolidation or a range. Who is the Casper of DTFX? People like Stoic. There's a dude called Blue Horse. I'll post the. I don't think there's a T-Trace. Stoic's probably the closest one to. People really love his content. Clear and concise. He's really the only one. But obviously he trades his own style too, so. Yeah, he came out with a couple models. I watched them, but just focused on doing my own shit. Definitely could have got involved up in here. You trade any of this, Serza? Like, I think we're coming for this low. Damn, the drawings don't even follow the chart, bro. Let's see. I'll try to get involved.
Order filled. Target filled.
And just like that. Too bad I'm hella red already from this other trade. See, it didn't even take the low, but I still took money out the market. Hell yeah, Lee. I'm always winging it. Nah, I watched his playlist like hella times, took notes. And yeah, I've just been forward testing it, back testing. And then I saw a podcast, I forgot which podcast it was, but I think it was with Dan Chung. And he was like, traders need to, like, your strategy, put it in one sentence. And so I recently just did that, and so I'm trying to follow that, but while still studying more and more. But as you know, the playlist is hella long.
That's real life ready. Visit wellsfargo.com/activecash. Terms apply.
Hey, what's up, Jason? Appreciate your kind words in the comment a week ago or whatever. Yeah, taking 5 points is a game changer, man. And then removing it to 1 point. Sometimes I do get bummed out because like it'll stop me out and then go the 5 points, but it keeps that win rate high. You weren't hurt here earlier, Jason, but a lot of my eval accounts are gonna be reset in the next couple days, and they're not even close to passing. So I'm trying to trade a little bit more aggressive. Just, you know, it's not okay that they get blown, but I'm paying anyways. And you didn't see this horrible trade earlier. I took this trade just off the 50%, based off the double top. But we took a major high to the left that I realized a little later, so I should have anticipated a little bit of range action. Am I right in that? Yeah, bro, FX replay was tight, man. I canceled it after like a month though, because you could backtest on Ninja, and it feels like real time, you know. Michael not playing. What's up, brother? It's not financial advice, just practicing DTFX. Yeah, I love it. You can download like hella different dates and just do like a whole week. Play it back in real time. Executions are nice. Like it just feels kind of seamless. I wish the drawing was better though. Yeah, the one I took over here, if it went into any profit, I would have put the stop to 1 point, but just got to pay more attention to higher time frame narrative as well. So I'm setting up my trade copier. Because I want to start taking some trades. I think in his mentorship he does, or maybe a couple days a week, maybe on Wednesdays. Sometimes he comes out and does a public one. Oh, see, this is where I need to practice more. When we take a low, but it wicks. I know Dave talks about that a lot. I mean, so the way I started looking at it was like, yeah, I look at the 1 minute, but a lot of these swings don't belong to the 1 minute. So like, I pay attention to this right here, this whole price action here. Pretty much just stay on the 1 minute, but sometimes I take a peek at the 12 minute. Oh shit. I wanted to take this. Let's see if we get higher. Oh shit.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Like I
Order
stopped.
filled.
No, bro. I've been funded before, but oh, look at that. That's weak. Choke that one. Nah, actually, like, after I switched from ICT to DTFX, I haven't been journaling my trades. There's probably a lot of value in that, though. That's for sure. I see that, Lee. See, if I just took the tap of 50%, stop above the range, that's already 5 points. There was an entry right here too. 5 seconds so fast. So I was thinking that this was the candlestick structure right here, but I have an issue with getting in early. Whoa. Crucial imperative. Keeps accountability for your rules. Yeah, bro. You're right. I can't argue that. I guess you could chalk it up to laziness, but like, if I take like 3 trades in a day, I don't mind journaling it. But if I go kind of crazy and I took 10 trades that are all stupid as hell, I'm like, damn, this is painful to journal all these. Yeah, bro. Like, I was like 2/3 of the way passing on one of my evals right now, and I brought it back to break even, and so I gotta act like I still have that profit, which is insane. But with DTFX, it's like, see, I marked out this swing point. It still offered points. Yeah, it really lends well to scalping, bro. And that was another thought, like trading market maker models. It's like you have to sit through that drawdown as it's building the model, you know? The first tap, second distribution, first distribution, reaccumulation. Are you funded, Michael? How long have you been trading DTFX? Oh, you took this one, Jason? Yeah, bro. It should have been a win, but I kind of choked the trade a little bit. Do you use candlestick structure, Jason? Or just the tap? Nice, Michael, with Apex. Like, I know Dave says, you know, you want to get into the zone and then, you know, make sure the candles do what you want it to do before you get in. But if you're good enough at picking the zones, I feel like you could just take the tap. If that's wrong, let me know. Bro, with some of these DTFX traders, they're about to put Apex out of business, bro. I mean, along with all the other profitable people, but there's people making fucking insane amount of money. That's pretty quick, Michael. I've been at it for like 3 years. Strategy hopping. Keep it up, man. Yeah, right? I'm with you on that. I just need that little reaction, man. That's it. Just extend the sale, Lee. It's so funny, bro. We've extended it to the weekend. We've extended it to the end of the month. Already been tapped. Oh yeah, bro. I know. I wouldn't be doing this shit for 3 years with no pay if I didn't have some sort of unwavering type of mindset. That's good to hear, Lee. We've been at this for hella long, bro. You're a back test champion right now. I wanna see you bring some money home. If you were profitable at trading, would you still teach? Facts. Absolutely. Hell nah. You would still say we're in a range though, right? Between this high, this low. And so in a range, I noticed that there's opportunities from the bottom to the top. I'm not quite comfortable with taking the top and bottom trades though. Might be a trade out of here. Yeah, when I got my job, man, I was like, oh, this is way easier. I'm gonna have money coming in no matter what. I'm wondering if we'll get a trade out of this. Broke a low, broke a high. I'm gonna go for it. Forgive me if I'm butchering DTFX. Nah, bro. I got laid off on Friday, man. So I'm gonna take like maybe this next month to go hard in the paint again with DTFX. Like the past 2 weeks, man, or before finding out I was gonna get laid off, I was like consistent on eval accounts, that is, but like I felt like I was making breakthroughs. I was like, damn, okay, I'm right there. But man, the past couple days have just been horrible. It's not following my shit, or maybe being too confident. This music is a vibe, though. Oh, don't let Dave see you say that. Every day is a profitable day. Which I believe. See this swing point? I like this swing point right here. Hey, Dave hasn't traded for that long at all, man. Didn't he start like in December 2 years ago or something? I might have been traded longer than him. But his story is definitely inspiring. Yeah, I guess I started right after Dave. Went down that ICT rabbit hole though. Damn right, Lee. For sure. And then I think even though you've looked at charts that much and you know what you're doing at this point, when you get to trade live, there's still gonna be like some challenges that's randomly gonna pop up, and you'll be like, fuck. I don't know how my wife fucking puts up with my ass. Don't worry, babe, I'll be profitable. Fuck. Sees me blowing accounts and shit. How embarrassing. Oh man, I didn't even see it, bro. This was the double bottom right here for the long move. Ah. Do you take that setup, Jason? The the one that Stoic really brought out with one of his old videos. I didn't see it. The double bottom part sometimes screws me up. 'Cause sometimes it won't sweep this. It'll just put the double bottom in. Or sometimes it'll like, I'm looking for a double bottom, but it keeps going. It's like, okay, here's the double bottom. Psych. Okay, here's the double bottom. Psych. And at that point, I'd probably just have the narrative, the whole thing wrong. No, anything on the way down, I think will just be a quick reaction. Quick reaction out of here. Quick reaction out of here. Maybe I'll try a short. I'm not confident in this type of shit though. Definitely like longs more. Yeah. I just still got some ICT in me, man. It's like, don't touch it, you know? And Dave's like, you don't need to be right. You need to take money out the market. I mean, I think I just, what's my other trade? I don't know where my trade's at. But what I mean is, it's like, I marked out this swing point, tapping back in here. I thought we would go lower. Oh, got you. No, I know what you're saying though. What I've noticed though is that if you pick the right zones, you have an opportunity. Double bottom break tap. I don't really see it like that, Zishan. But I'm not I'm not profitable, so candle closure here. It was the BD. What's BD mean? Are you talking about right here, Zishan? Or nah, none taken, Michael. At all. Everybody's trying to get to the same place, and I understand it's hard as fuck for anybody, so what's the double bottom that runs the high? I personally am not seeing that setup. Double bottom that takes the high. I know, I understand what you're saying, unless you want me to zoom in. We need to sweep a low somewhere. Any of you guys in Dave's mentorship? That's funny. I joined Profitable Losers for a month last month, but I just wanted to like check his videos real quick. Very interesting, very simple, but obviously I wasn't trying to study it too hard or switch strategies again, so it's very similar to I ICTs. Oh man, it's been a while. ICTs. Midnight Open. Short above Midnight Open, long below. I mean, I tried doing it a couple times. I got smoked. I mean, I can see that it's still gonna take some studying though, because he basically uses candlestick patterns. And then if you time the candlestick pattern where it's the reversal for the day, and then it heads back to Midnight Open, that's really the move that he's talking about. But like, those patterns happen a few times. So what's up, Sammy boy? How long you been trading DTFX? So when I was working, I would just have it in the background all the time. But yeah, I usually start trading after 10:30, and just wait till I recognize something. Unless I'm breaking all my rules and fucking up, and I'm taking a lot of trades. I have seen him. I tried studying it for a little bit. I don't think hedging though is allowed on prop firms. But he's like trying to make it super simple, right? Support resistance. Did you trade ICT before that, Sammy? You see that, Jason? Nice. Which ICT concepts? Yes, sir. Glad we're on the same page, though. How did you determine to leave your in? Hope you don't mean job. Ah. Yeah, 2022 model was cool. It was my first dive into ICT. Well, Rajik, almost 3 years ago, I saved up enough money to quit and try trading. But at the time, though, I was severely mistaken what it would take. Later, Lee. Appreciate you, man. So I gave myself 2 years to become profitable, and if not, I was gonna get a job. But the job market happens to be really shitty right now out here in California, or maybe everywhere. And so I recently just got a new remote job, but I got laid off again. So I'm gonna take a little bit of time to go hard again at studying. I feel like I've made some breakthroughs with DTFX, but it always comes down to discipline and following the rules. And I'm such an addict. Actually tapped in already. Oh man, hesitating, bro. Hesitation, bro. Definitely 5 points right there. But failed to take the high, so I think we're coming down here. Don't really want a long. Tap back in. So perhaps a long. Just coughing my ass off over here. I marked out the wrong. Tap back in. Nice long right here. Broke the high, tap back in, failed the high. Wonder if we'll come down here. Are we just gonna go? Nice. Fuck, almost took this. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's exactly what I did, Rajik. But now I'm back in debt. When did you start learning? You watching Dave's playlist?
Save America, we're breaking down the news that makes us laugh,
The fuck
cry, and
is this?
scream into the void to figure out what matters and what each of us can do about it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss an episode.
I think I could take a short. Yeah, that discipline is everything, bro. Nothing wrong with grass touching though. Well, I guess you could say grass touch later when you're profitable.
Order submitted.
Might have to come higher. It's okay. It's pretty aggressive
Order
trade.
filled.
Unless I'm reading something. I'll take a short from here.
Order submitted.
2 points below 50. Failed to take this high, so I'm looking for lower prices, but you never know. I don't know. So we get into a little bit of profit.
Order filled.
Oh shit. That's alright. Not letting it come back on me. Is that a sweep? Oh shit, you're still here. it's kind of nice knowing that there's another DTFX trader that's taking the same trades. Sometimes it feels like you're just lost in the sauce, bro. I got in early though. I would have been able to take 4 points. Yeah, for sure. I like that trade. But what I mean, I think what's his name? Michael left already, but oh, there you are. It's like I'm thinking we need lower prices because we have this double top here, which led me to take this short. But that doesn't mean we will go take the lows. And so even if I'm wrong, meaning we go take the highs, I still could take money out. Yeah, I hear you, Michael. I actually have a TraderSync account that I haven't used. It's just like fucking journaling trades on these demo accounts. You're right though. I need to be strict with the 50%, that's for sure though. I'm sure someone's short right here. Stop above the zone. Is 1-to-1 gonna get offered? Oh, 1-to-1's right here. It's all good. What do you use for journaling, Michael? You just write it down? Or you use like TradeZella, upload your trades? Nice trade, by the way, Sammy. I see that. Got you. I got some Notion templates as well. When I was trading ICT, I used to journal a lot. Journal my backtest trades. You guys work? You guys working remote? I appreciate that, bro. That means a lot. It's tough to, you know, be an amateur in public, I guess, especially in this space when everybody only wins. I appreciate that. How much information do you journal? Just like win-loss, RR, type of setup. All right, Jason, I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Hope to see you again. That's how you do it, Rajik. What do you do for a living? If you're like a coder, spend a couple hours coding, spend the rest of the hours studying. Got you. Yeah, the more data, the better, right? How many trades a day do you take? I mean, because on like my absolute tilt days, it's like I'm journaling like 40 trades or something. Yeah, I got you on that. Risk management, what keeps you in the game. Yeah. Loan officer, eh? Making a killing then, huh? That seems like you would have some downtime, though. Get a couple trades in. Oh, I hear you, bro. Trust me. I respect it. I respect the work grind, and if you want to do that for 40 years, 30 years and retire, that's cool, man. If you're enjoying your weekends and you're like, you know, you feel happy, that's awesome. But I don't. So this is the dream for me. I don't want to be at the hands of some board members or executive leadership who aren't in the trenches, and you just get laid off. Or, you know, I'm in sales, so even if you're the top salesperson, you know, there's always a chance for you to just get shitted on, or you have a bad quarter. Now you're on a performance plan. It's just, I'd rather just make 100K on my own. $100K is really not that much in California. Michael, do you journal at the end of the day? Or like while you're in the trade or right after it? Yeah, I'm with you, Rajik. I hope you make it, bro. Just don't quit. Study hard. I'm convinced if you do this long enough, you'll get it. But if you quit, you know, obviously. Yeah. I needed, yeah, that makes sense. At the end of the day, you're exhausted. You know, I don't need to review my trade. Also, you get the live feedback. Here's my trade journal. I just deleted everything because I haven't done it since DTFX, but trade number, win or lose, long, short, zone, area, Y, stop loss, drawdown, was 5 or 10 points offered, what was my target, logic behind the target, how much did it offer, and time. Yeah. I mean, look at Dave. He became profitable. Probably not, you know, where he's at now, but he became consistent because of the discipline he was forced to have, but not having any food, you know, or that's what he says. So I think you just don't know what you don't know. And so it's like when I first started, I thought, okay, I'll watch a couple of videos, just hop in the markets and try to apply it. But you really just need to sit with the charts over and over, like all day. And you could accelerate your learning. Just do that for a month straight, 8 hours a day. Treat it like your job, like your actual job. Definitely improve a lot quicker than 3 years of an hour a day. What's up, Thirst? It's going all right, bro. I have no idea what's going on right here. I think we're gonna come take this low, but not financial advice. I have some accounts, some eval accounts that are gonna get reset, or I'm gonna have to pay for tomorrow or the next day. So I'm gonna try and get a little aggressive because either way, I'm gonna have to pay. So. But just waiting for something that looks familiar. I guess I could get involved. Just been chopping it up with everybody, man. Oh no. This wasn't. Took the hard back in. You trade DTFX, Thirst? Here we come. Now my initial thoughts was I wanted to take a long out of here, so I might try. Forgive me if I butcher this. That's a little too fast. I'll wait for a second one. Double bottom. Take this low.
Order submitted.
What?
Order filled.
What the hell just happened, bro? Why did it not? Dude, it didn't copy my trades and my take profit didn't work. That's unfortunate. What the hell was that? Five, 7, 1. Do. What's that 5, 7, 1? Yeah, I've seen a lot of like posts or some more advanced DTFX traders. They're always marking out like some shit like that. So like a lower time frame origin. But I haven't studied it enough to know what the hell they're doing. %, of the smaller S&D unmitigated. Smaller S&D. Breakdown 50. Broke here. Nope. Yeah, that's out of my weight class, brother. Is that your is that like a bread and butter setup for you? Maybe if I look over here. 571. The high of 77.25. Oh, 64.50. Got you. We never tap back in here. Dude, I can't see that shit on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's strong right there. Definitely see the posts on Twitter similar. Damn, that's so big brain, bro. Never tap back. That's good shit, bro. Yeah, on the 1 minute, broke, double top, target this low, and this low. And I'm looking for like a double bottom over here, which might have already happened. And then I don't know if we'll take the highs, but I'm expecting a little push up, which is kind of what this was based on, so. Let's see how big this 1-to-1 is. 13. I might take a tap of this 50% and let it ride. Get this one out. An embarrassing amount. But I'll say that not blowing all of them is impressive for myself. So right now I have like six of them that are all basically break even, and I've been trading it the last month. And so, you know, I don't know what your opinion on it is though, but like, you know, passing in one day goes to the end of April. Oh man, it sounds horrible just saying it. I'm just thinking like I'm gonna pay for these anyways, and then like the trailing drawdown is a little higher, so. Or I could just climb out of the abyss. Climb out. Just slow and steady wins the race, you know? No, Apex. Yeah, of course, Michael. You're not gonna hurt my feelings, bro. This journey is hard enough, man. It's fine, and I probably shouldn't even be trading on evals. It should be just straight sim trading, but it's just the journey that I've chosen for myself, brother. Yeah, but you're good, bro. Man, we didn't sweep one more time. Let's see, maybe we'll come up here, get a reaction. Back down one more time. Stop everybody out. and then use the payout to buy more. %, get that, bro. And I guess my thoughts when I bought this last batch was that. Yeah, for sure. I'm a huge donator to Apex Trader Funding. They love me. But I mean, it's gonna reset tomorrow. I mean, you think I should cancel all of them? And we gonna go take the highs. This trade idea, I had this in my head, so that's something I'm proud of, is I'm able to see this type of shit a little bit more. Definitely not confident holding for no highs though, but I'm really happy about this trade. It's unfortunate it didn't copy to my other accounts. Yeah, save some money. Is that what you did with your 3? You started out with 1. Do you get the 25Ks or 50Ks? Yeah. Oh shit. I just went to your channel, bro. Subscribing. Michael not playing, bro. That's tough. Yeah, I hear you. That's why, like, I was getting 50Ks for the longest time. But it's like, why? Can't even pass. I mean, I have passed, but it doesn't mean nothing when you can't get a payout. No, I appreciate your feedback and insights, bro. For sure. When I'm done streaming, I'll check out some of your videos as well. I forgot if I asked. You trade ICT? That's good, bro. This journey is really tough, man. know there's no shortcuts, man. That's for sure. Yeah. That's the biggest thing, man. Even if you watch someone's video and they're profitable, like, you still need to gain your understanding of it, and you might see something a little different based on how your mind works. And so you literally could get the playbook from somebody, but you're not going to operate the offense the same way, you know? Are you done trading for today? Oh, looks like you trade London, huh? Are you based out there? Failed the high again. Yeah, I hear that. News makes it crazy. Oh, look at that reaction. Damn, I wanted to take the tap, bro. Let's see if we get another shot down here. Yeah, bro, me too. I was chopping it up with Michael, bro. I literally said I'm gonna take this tap. 1-to-1 already offered, bro. Sad life. There'll be more. That sucks though. I was waiting for that. Oh, damn. Oh no. You're right there. They'll slip you for the stop loss. They're not gonna slip you for the entry though. Damn, that's frustrating. So I'm actually gonna go make some coffee and take a bathroom break, guys. I won't be surprised if you're not here when I get back. But I do appreciate you guys, man, for chopping it up with me. I'll be back in like 5-10. Now it's kind of frustrating missing my entry too, so probably need to take a couple minutes. I'll be right back, guys. Trying to work this damn. There it is. Bet, Michael. Appreciate you. Yo. Damn. Came back for another entry too, man. It's all good. Shit. Let's see if we can get a scalp out of here. Technically, I'm not supposed to long a low. I didn't make a high. Let's see, tap back in. Damn. No love. Entry right here, bro. 1.5 points away from the 50. Get a little really kind of lost on the one minute though. Multiple failures. It's in a range. It's got to be very nimble. Higher time frame, I'm expecting to come back down into this range. Maybe right here. What's your primary setup, Michael? I was studying ICT for like a year and a half or longer until I switched. So I'm pretty familiar with a lot of his stuff. Taking up my size and sell side. Looking for that bearish order block. Got you. Yeah, I was a heavy breaker guy. Unicorn and breaker. I'm wondering if I never switched from that, if I would be profitable already. I wish I could listen to like real music. Yeah, facts. Facts. I'm getting there, bro. Like I said, man, past couple weeks have been my closest to like consistency. I feel like every time there's a breakthrough, there's always like a pullback. There's always like a, you start fucking up a little bit. Yep. Something with overconfidence, bro. Or like, you know, I've been trying to trade for so long that once I make a breakthrough, I want to like speed it up again instead of being patient like what got me here. But you know, it's really, you said it earlier, it's not really that crazy, man. You just gotta be disciplined, create your rules and follow them. Yep. Yep. This skill, man, is unlike any other. That's why it's so difficult to attain. But yeah, enjoying the process and kind of just submitting to like, man, this is gonna take a while. has been very helpful. And then you can speed it up by absolutely locking in. Oh, I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, like eventually it comes down to your rules, and then you refine. It gets to the point where like you just see it, and that's when you're not hesitating. Win or lose, you followed your rules. That's when you're really in flow. Go for it. Yeah. Completely agree. Yeah, completely agree. It's like you've watched so much already, man. You got a bunch of shit in your brain already. Now you got to wrestle with the market, right? I agree. I think, you know, on this journey, a lot of traders just get stuck in the content consuming portion and just stay there forever. Like, there's so many levels, man. Like, I can mark up a little ICT chart right now, but I can't trade it for shit, you know? Yeah. You gotta get in the charts, man, and you gotta execute. You mean currently in price action, or like after I'm profitable? Still, we're just waffling around in here, man. Well, what I'm really looking for is a break of a range and then a tap back in. Let's see. Let's just follow the 5 second. You have highs, lows. After you put in a new high with a candle closure, this low becomes a protected low, which means, you know, if you are trending, this low shouldn't be broken. So if you have this, and then to add some rules to it, you want to take the reaction, the initial tap back in the range, or a deeper tap at the 50%, stop below the zone. Now obviously on the 5 second it gets kind of crazy, but the 5 second is delivering the 1 minute market structure. But I'm not as confident in what this looks like right now. So this right here is a clear swing point, broke the high, tap back in, broke the high with the candle closure, tap back in. But since we're failing to break out the range, we're just stuck right here. So let's see. I mean, I definitely be studying, man. You know what it takes. I know a lot. It's just about applying it and like following the rules. Could have took this, but I really want the tap of the 50. No tap, that trade's cap. I just realized my stream quality is kind of like, it's not 1080, bro. The next one I'll make sure it's 1080. I don't know what the hell. I don't know why it's only 720. Lit. That's for sure. Do you watch any other streams, bro? I know there's a ton of them out there. Oh yeah, you try not to watch other content though, so that makes sense. This is the next high. Always a twist. Didn't get involved at all on that run up right there. You know what they say, a rising tide lifts all boats. What you got going on, bro? You trying to make a little a little organization? Yeah, bro. I wouldn't do that either. But good on you, man, for putting good energy out there. You know, offering a little bit of insight to people. Oh, you got your own little Discord going? Gotta be careful with Discords too. Get in there, start comparing yourself to everybody. And a lot of like lazy people join. You gotta make sure the culture's right in there. Candle closure. No worries, bro. When that thing comes out, I'll see it. Or if you post it on your YouTube. Damn. What made you start trading? Well, I mentioned earlier my opinion on kind of climbing the corporate ladder and shit. I'm not a fan of working for 30 years, and by the time I get there, I'm already old and sick. And also, just people telling you what to do just because, you know, they were there longer or whatever. Really just want freedom for me and my fam. Like freedom. Like I want my daughter to be at like the best schools, give her the best chance, and I want to have something to give her, you know, later on when I'm gone. And you know, you could do that a little bit with a regular job. Don't get me wrong, you got 401k, you can save up, but I'm talking like generational type shit. So that's why trading. I didn't know it would be this hard, but like I'm in it. I'm in it to win it forever now. Showing the world. I've tried vlogging before, like way back in the day. Like I think before it was even like that popular. So I've always been trying to do some content creation. And since I'm on the computer all day, it's just about documenting the journey, really. But it gets tough in the trading space, because like everybody's winning, and especially when you're losing, it's like, fuck, man, who's about to watch this? You know what I mean? But just doing it for me, bro. Maybe inspire one or two people, and then hell yeah, bro. Likewise, man. Just the fact that you got some funded accounts and are keeping them, bro. That's a feat in itself, man.
Order submitted.
It's a little low. I'm not that comfortable with these kind of trades. It's definitely not bread and butter, bro. The fact that we made this wick up here and we just took this high, I'm anticipating a move back down in the range, but I don't think it's a A1 trade. That's for sure. Probably a little bit of boredom too. I know, amateur shit, bro. But I really think this wick, this is our double top. Oh no. Let me get in there.
Order filled.
Fuck. And that's something I'm working on too. A lot of successful DTFX traders move their stop loss into profit like instantly, but I'm not sure how they ever get their move because it's so volatile right here. This might be another entry right here. Maybe not. Oh yeah. Let me journal that, bro. Appreciate the inspiration on that. Let me hear it. I mean, I'm familiar with why though. ICT definitely, I mean, a lot of people say let it run because it affects your stats and your confidence. High. Sweep high. That's actually what happens to me right now. I swear. I say this one I'm committing to the 1-to-1. And then that's the one that that's the one that hits stop loss and wipes out my 3 wins. I had a horrible entry on this one. This offered plenty. But you know, counter to that, there's definitely traders though, like one of the biggest DTFX traders, his average win is 1 point. His trade frequency is way higher than mine though, for sure. So he's either winning like 1 to 10 points. Sweep high. Y. Pick on M1. Got you. Yep. I hear you. Yeah, man. A trader is like like a recipe in your cooking, you know what I mean? Add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Some people choke the trade, some people let it run. Some people focus on risk reward, some people focus on win rate. Tap back down.
Order submitted.
I'm just trying to get involved, really.
Order
Where
filled.
the oh shit. What was that? Everything worked. Tap. And here. Just 1 minute. Hesitated right here. It's not the most comfortable price action for me right now. Tap back.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So we might range right here. move since we're coming in to here. Tap in, then come down. Let's see. I got some socials. I'm not really that active though, but I'll post my Twitter. That's my Twitter. Hit me up anytime, bro. For sure. I'm probably gonna, let's see, what time is it? Yeah, 2 o'clock. I'm probably gonna end stream right here. Been on for like 3 hours. That's pretty good. So I appreciate you for watching, man, and all the little insight. And I subscribe to your channel as well, man. So hit me up. For sure, man. Thanks for sticking around, man. I'll see you in the next one.